One of the realest artisans I've ever met in Jamaica is hiding in plain sight in Treasure Beach, and what he creates with his hands is beautiful. The moment I walked in, I knew this was special. The smell of fresh wood, the craftsmanship on display. It's like stepping into an artist's sanctuary. And the mastermind behind all of this? Meet Robert Wright, a local wood craftsman who's been perfecting his craft for over 20 years.
I just recently opened for the past little over a year this location, but I did have a different location, but as I opened that, then it come COVID, so I had just to close it down.
Robert creates these stunning handmade pieces, eating utensils, jewelry boxes, each one more beautiful than the last. I'm talking about pieces that make you want to frame them instead of use them. The attention to detail is incredible. Every curve, every finish, every piece tells a story. Now, if you're enjoying this journey with me through Jamaica's hidden gems, do me a favor and gently tap that like button. It helps us bring you more authentic Jamaican experiences like this one. I ended up buying a few pieces because honestly, how could I not? Robert told me his wooden dishes and bowls sell out fast. So if you're planning to visit, you might want to pre-order your pieces ahead of time. Trust me on this one, you don't want to miss out. What I love most about Robert's work is that it's not just about making pretty things. It's about preserving a craft, keeping traditions alive, and creating functional art that you can actually use in your everyday life. Plus, supporting local artisans like Robert means you're taking home a genuine piece of Jamaica. You can find his amazing work on Instagram. I'll make sure the link is in the description below, so definitely check him out. The Wood of Life gift shop is located right in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, and it's worth every minute of the drive.
What I plan to do like some little tables.
Oh.
What I would call it, dining table or center table.
Yeah.
But just waiting until I find the perfect piece.
Robert's been doing this for over 2 decades, and you can feel that experience in every piece he creates. So if you're ever in the Treasure Beach area, make sure you stop by and say hi to Robert.